Hey! Yes! Yes, I won it! Yes!
Hey! Are you okay?
Sorry, I'm sorry, boss. I'm sorry.
No, you know, sorry, say. We just stand somebody's house shouting like that.
I'm sorry, boss.
Don't you know, say you are disturbing us?
I'm sorry.
What thing with that?
I'm sorry. I just won a bet. I just won. I won 5,000. 5,000 Ghana. Yes! One next bet.
Hey.
One next bet.
Hey, catch it. Relax and talk. You say what?
Sorry. A friend introduced 1xbet to me. And after downloading the app, I registered with the promo code VisionBwoy2020. And they give me 200% bonus.
Hey!
After my first deposit. Tell you.
My phone. You say which app?
1xbet.
1xbet. Let me write this here. 1xbet. Vision 2020.
Ah! Yes! That's 1xbet for you. 1xbet. Magan is so sick.
Yeah! Vision Nation, baby!
Previously on Peer Pressure.
Madam. No, madam, I was reading a storybook.
It's all fully now.
I was reading, I bought it in a dream, so I was reading.
Listen to yourself, you are lying.
So, and I will catch the high spirit to say, hey, what? Oko beg you one more keke. Open so bed John one more keke. Why say me who be saying?
DDT. Abra. Essa é o Iago também.
Cake in the building. It's first to the K-E-L-Vin.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision Nation. Say, Mobian Dada, more in Brady, and one paid your crab one pair. Mobian more pressure. Pim caught on strong man best strength. Schoolgirl CP needs to buy open and for some day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P no boy or back class hour depends no one team seen to the bank. More in break and Satanya back you 240. Peer pressure, it rose one can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became Mojeku for the council, trying to 7 flags yeah, I know what the other. Sugar mama phone you date or no didn't come out what sure say yeah, my pop.
We'll be any fear free to a baby I do too. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to a baby I do too. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And I say before, peer pressure before. Before, peer pressure before. Before, peer pressure before. Before, peer pressure before.
Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure.
We'll be any fear free to a baby I do too. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to a baby I do too.
So, what can be the definition of literature? Yes.
Madam.
Okay, stand up.
Madam, please, literature. It is the study of...
Now guys, you listen. This is the plot you have to read. You make sure you read from here to the end. It's fair. What is it? You are reading. I will come here more. I don't know you are sapon bad. Obo eskima na homo bro. I carry na base say. And the peer pressure found with na man with you. Now come on, go and read.
Ah, say, but the catalyst is no good though.
I'm going to class by 12 o'clock. I need to finish this week. Bye-bye. I will see you later.
I said, as I see Iyke, so we need to do it.
me the types of literature. We have 2 types of it. So who can give me? Yes.
Now please, we have oral literature.
Oral literature. Very good.
Okay. Oh, the office can. What about do?
I didn't have a 7 year bedo.
What of mommy? You come in to be a man.
One that she's wearing an album boom sound. Oh, by your cry.
Hey, boy, J. Boy, child, me no be more.
Jenna Cordona.
Man, person come back, come round. Hey,
you go back now, just now one of the town. Yeah, no town.
I said now mu come baby na me be tell
baby, and I'll just say baby.
Man, boy,
see how funny I was for Mondo. Men don't come about talk asset. I when you come be doing question.
Okay, so who can give me the other side of literature?
Madam.
Yes, which
Madam, please, rating literature.
Rating literature.
man. Yo, hey, man, forget to compare Catalas and you are down.
Second back on the count.
You inside all here.
You been inside though.
I said now you
Papa didn't blah. Now who can say a blah one after them?
Hey, but you ain't though.
Ah, share Boga see this guy said for making you alone with all this thing.
What is that? What are you writing? I'm reading. Come on! What is that? You are reading. Let me see. Hey! Love letter. On the first day of our story. Hello, my sweet Frank. Hey! Come on, follow me. Follow me!
Man. La Casilo, yes, Salawu.
Muchimino, sub school laborers.
School laborers.
Then Akosua.
I beg we don't get this kind of this level. I beg you waiting.
Now we thought say you rule this school and everything in it. Now you see your life. You are bleeding and we are feeling.
Makonzi and Rude Boy. Where is that stupid friend of yours, Alonso?
What's your problem?
We came to give you some money. Timoma number na mimumum.
Hey, shut up,
you get foreign account? What foreign account of mommy?
Are you there? See you. I know I will meet you. I mean, know you. Yes, I will meet you.
Make our wife.
Hey, why, Rude Boy?
Bring the number.
Wait for that.
You're off, man, fool. Just keep quiet. Let them talk.
Hey, why you
after that, what's your problem? Hey, pass here. Hey, man, pass here. Hey, don't try to touch the guy again.
Try what
get
you
me,
do.
Huh? Man.
Hey, I'll pay you off to put that cutlass down. Second up, you know, by saying.
You guys are skinny.
Hey.
You know, this way
we are the reason why you are reading. Thomas!
One no day.
Me, I remember those school hanging. I want to hear about this smooth to be confused. If you were school,
Mama Casa Manchro. High spirit. Any news? And then the first time, even President Crampono, who cross school Catalas at the child school.
That's it.
What you say? Any news?
One says will be punished. Hey, yapa. Imagine you paying bribe, near as I rejected. Common security by rejecting your money.
So we will link up better time. What? We will link up with you guys better time. What?
You see? I didn't happy, Bibiana Kamadjin Yakusino. No.
You know something? These guys, as they go broke for the school, they make the girls come see say with the weed. That's all they pay me.
So
the whole school will buy news. Then with the weed.
Any news?
By our
one transfer be travel.
Hey, Charlie.
Yencho.
See.
And you teach any other punishment.
Yes, I tell you, see.
One more into the end. I'm going to be sorry. I'm going to say,
so after the squad, then we'll see.
Man, forget time. I could do all this.
Hey, Janet, who wrote this letter? Janet, who wrote this letter? Janet, for the last time, I'm asking you, who wrote this letter?
Places, no.
You wrote this letter?
Yes, madam.
Hey! Richie, what do you say about this letter?
Madam, please, I know nothing about this. And besides, she has been bothering me with love letters. And I keep telling her that it's not right. But she wouldn't listen.
Hey, Janet.
Madam.
Oh. I wasn't expecting this from you.
Madam, I'm sorry.
I'm so disappointed in you.
Madam,
what? But how can you? How can you propose to a boy?
I'm sorry.
Instead of you to concentrate and learn, you are writing letters to a boy. Oh, Janet. And you? How did this letter get to you?
Madam, Mr. Jonas sent me to Sister Janet to collect a cocoa. So when I was delivering it, it fell down and I picked it.
You make it come. Iyke, instead of a phone, now we're sharing. You are rather in class reading love letters. Oh, but for one ekeka. Martin. Joe. Chamoche. And you, Janet. You've really surprised me. So do you know what? Yes. You have to follow me to the headmaster.
Madam, please.
Please what?
I won't do that again.
You won't do what again? You won't do what again?
Alright,
come on, follow me. Let's go.
Madam.
Hey, Janet, hey, where are you? Hey,
it became Mojeku for the council, trying to 7 flags. I know any other. Sugar mama phone your date or no didn't come out. What you say, yeah, my papa.
Be any fear free to ye be tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to ye be tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool.
So are we talking about rules and regulations? You are wearing mufti, so it's against this. And it is a crime. It is a crime to Charlie. Don't bring yourself. I'm very sad. Don't bring yourself.
Come on, can't you be done?
It hurts so badly because I don't know. I can't even think of it. How?
So even though I never loved her, but I like her. You know, there's a difference between love and like. But all the same, we pray things get better.
That's all. But do you know that everything that is going around, all that we are sad around here, is your fault?
It's true. Don't look at
it. It's your fault.
How is that my fault? What did I do?
Yeah, the buy Kyekyeku. Also not dog. So instead of you to accept the proposal, you can just let the cut off from up. So it's your fault.
The girl loved you to the extent that he came straight to you that I love you. But you didn't accept.
You guys, you don't even know why you are here. You are here to study, and that purpose has to be fulfilled. After study,
go home and manage study. Or go home and study, only study in computer. Aside academics, what's next? Help me finish my course, then you go your way. Oh, Massa. She ran away, she did hospital. She did hospital. Whether she is fine or she's in the same condition that you saw.
I pity her. When I saw her lying on the floor, hey,
what's wrong with the so I hope be money not like mama here fake it to when I'm with the children. Say, I mean, I pay me, I can make we see the muscle.
But listen, on a more serious note, guys, we should take a lesson out of this. We shouldn't be chasing girls here and there. We are here for a purpose.
We are not chasing girls, but this one here about direct. Yes, was it fine? If and we know something. The reason why we are not able to accept the girl is that we thought the girl is like this. So the V-neck is the same thing. But when you open it, it's open.
Listen, even if but even if it's other girls, I wouldn't have accepted that.
You can't say anything.
Me reaching in Congo.
Oh, pressure, pim clock on strong man best strength. School girl CP needs to buy open and for some day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P no boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. More name break and Satanya back you too.
Go for us.
Wait. Osiki, I'm so squid and in the no lie. Monty, my young quabons in young photo fried rice be wa here.
Hi, what happened?
Osiki, Winty. Say, me, I'm up on my uncle. Anyway, I phone Masiri, me no map see.
Osiki. I did one for what can she tell me. I have no stress. Our house is here. I've fallen in money or for who is here. I sent
What if I is inside?
Whatever
be a big baby. What am I doing here? What's a pawasam? My young quiet shape, pass to see.
Okay. I didn't make a Jerusalem here and I far was soon with you. Aqua, I don't.
Because it's here. Young check.
I'm about to see
Sheila, what are you doing here? Hey, madam, I came here to look for my boyfriend. You are made day student. You better leave before I report you. And what's funny? Oh, the sad end of a princess and her maidens. You girls thought you could bring me down, right? Now, where is princess? Sacked. And the rest of you are made day students. I am still in the boarding school with no bad record at the administration. Now, who is winning and who is losing? And what do you think you are doing? Hold this right there! What at all is the problem among you girls? And you, Sheila, aren't you made a day student? What are you doing here at this time of the year? You are in Form 3 for crying out loud. And you should set good examples for the Form 1s and 2s to follow. I know this. And you, Vivian, you better be warned, okay? You are the cause of all these problems among Sheila and her friends. What's wrong with you? See who is talking. Vivian.
one. Start your shizzling. Light us up. Yeah, mash out the place and turn out the party. A higher grade party. Oh Lord, we no want no visitor, no funny talk. We a blaze of fire in the yard. One time, this a ganja farm. Give me some high, great, yeah. Give me some high, great, yeah, yeah. Give me some high, great, yeah, yeah. Give me some high, great, yeah, yeah. Boys are turn up, girls are full of the place. Twerk, them all wind up them waist. Me fly away.
Hey! Oh, yo. Asante kuna. Fast, pepper. Sister Wadi. Aoba. Gani, fast.
Me bust your brain. Give me some high, great, yeah, yeah. 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 Yes, I rustin' do, rustin' say, rust my music, rust my say. Feeling it I do. Yes, I rustin' do, rustin' say, rust my music, rust my say.
Sandy, Sheila, and Deb, please do not fight or quarrel with any students again, please. We all thank God that your situation was not like Princess' own. Though I'm not too happy about Princess' situation, but please, I beg of you, do not fight any students again.
Senior house mistress.
Headmaster.
No, when then was a young family who put in for one in them compass. When then,
Headmaster, I always give road to every student and make sure every student is present, except those who are sick or the other who are given permission. Apart from that, I don't see any students around.
Miss Medimacam Kruma, and Confirm will be some man, young family one in them common for one in them Bobasa myself. When then,
Nanekia, don't talk too much. In fact, I wouldn't want you to stress over this issue. This is nothing. But we really appreciate you. If it wasn't you, we would have been dismissed from the school.
Yeah.
So we are okay. We promise not to. We'll do our best, don't worry. But that's why I always tell you that avoid or do not tolerate her attitude. To avoid quarrels among you girls.
I'm very much surprised at what you are saying. Oh my God, what's up there? I'm making sure them of Famano Obia are present. Obia no more. Man tell me background for number. The song make us up. It's American, right, Mama?
No, the bomb was for honest phone. Was sent there. My family makes no retity for all the one in them compass, and young Jenny, I bring us a problem. Who may any massy? No media fear what the baby when they are teaching for what teacher Janzama, a bear or teacher, what the business wasn't by a bone was a scratch and whatever now. A woman in my grassy.
That Vivian is a bitch. But come to think of it, being a day student is far better than being a boarding student. It's me, dear Jenny, be out, and I'm about that. In fact, you are crazy.
Oh, I need to supervise the form too.
Okay.
Yeah, you might not be able to know why.
Yes, I'll be coming for the literature book. Okay.
No problem.
All right.
I feel so fly when I try that thing that makes
School, you have to go by you watch it. You never check for my family will be name as into Porto. My phone to phone. Not from next to phone. Make more calling one, but some school now only in chat.
What I can't answer.
What might school have? Mama from Oku, I will who them from Oku to school. Huh? Hello. Ali. Come to my office. Just come to my office. Don't prove me, Masha.
Me pocho, Marcano, me make sure there. Bibia Dano Pando. Me make sure there. Oh, for my new beer and Wabano.
No, Bomadinara. Montado to Otto, Mumuda, but for me, what's one was school now? Who took the phone? Who took the phone? What you can examine school? One friend from Confronting, one wanted to come one school. Until phone to phone. The men that want to go to school, or by already didn't know. And I knew the man.
What you mean, we need them?
No, I didn't know I was going to more coding into me account change them. And I answer one shade.
Maybe no for my own papa. You them are for the guitar phone to make no. Anyway, I'll have to see to all these things. I will. Nash, no school be a one for you, man. I got the man, men play cry. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
What from a boy, what one book, when you million, and what to be set to be.
Yes, I joined it.
Hey.
That's what
Nice lady. Sheila. Wow.
We are not sick.
Sheila, Debbie, Sandy. Oh, my mama feels so disappointed.
Ali!
Master.
Ali!
Master.
Ali! What's your person? Ali, I don't know where, sir. Huh? I don't know where, sir. What is school, huh? Musumia, Musuma Swami Chakada. Musumia Vaticama. I don't know who Pastor Wunamasi. A John idea, no more Pino, calling them to Basaba, say, go and catch yourself in school, and now say you do an aduma, a boss 6 air call, Colombian Pure Bounty. I don't know what Pure Cocorana do.
Adena Mutimi getting to the low. Like my cheap girls on this campus. Why?
Very cheap.
Oh yeah.
In what sense?
Sheila, into a whole campus, Hanom, whole school. Man, guys. Someone who Birmingham girl said that guy called High Spirits and his squad. What a shame.
What a shame.
Master, as somebody who can't tell me, Master, I tell us who had the some free master, come. You could Sasana can Odiamati. Na bomba na mi ti biom se kwala ngo da mo me na mi me hu akola mu a ikruma na do a na wo tuchi a na wo abu de me yo na trouble so a ebi amaguru
yo amati
Kila. All the way out here now. And your bad cry say me make your home in chain. Can I name go? And your bad. And I own.
Interesting.
Yeah. And Debbie. Wooden car. Man can't take a whole boss. School rat. School captain.
Konzi.
The home Konzi. To be honest, Kao maintain, Kao se Kao push to Musa to fire. Kao so. And cool. Sandy. Ori aka to say Kao me nigga Alonso. Kamu ye cool pa. Ba why?
Papa be forward me. Why forward me? Say no forward me bia. O party the make no permit. So ko ko dey wo.
amati ami susu be di mani be fe bibi enchi abi bi boni bi amba master amedasi.
My mama is so disappointed in you girls. More no be a whole school. Ah, what is it? Why high spirit? That small boy shit.
If I sound you, shall I do kind of car?
Sheila.
What?
Come.
Please. What can say me until I say high spirit? Any friends no more you low class. And you who are high class.
Oh yes.
Wow, clap for yourself. Hey! It's not the same low class people, na ma more high class people. Ecuador no.
E mama do say nkuwa. Mo do say slaves. Hwe, nsi o to na ye hu a ade eche ye hu fom. John.
Or quantity flowers. Offer. Rude boy. Please. Sanke yan date high spirit ni friends na. Mo put yan kama yurem. We don't think Sanke be date mo.
Mon kan hu kra.
But wait oh. Please. Hello. Only a friend saying. I've forgotten his name. Oh, please.
Sheila.
Yes, baby.
You mean you are forgetting my name?
I know, but I can't remember. Makonzi. Ushuna showing my mom say.
Tell me.
I want to toilet. Who class I'm about it?
So.
This I tell you this thing. This I tell you this thing. I tell you say this high school can't say with the read. You go broad the news for the school and make everybody say with the read. I tell you. Like this guest there. Oh, small crowd. Like a man love me now.
Next on Peer Pressure.
Any kind of school?
Oh, me. Oh, me a pimple boy. Yes. I attend Pimple College.
And I want to travel school more one day.
Oh, mama.
No, that's all.
Oh, me.
Did you really know?
What?
Did you really?
Of course I did.
Oh God.
Even if the research didn't help me or it will not help me, I'll go straight to them. I'll see, hey, high spirit. Where do you get your sort of income?
What are you doing here at this time? You're supposed to be at prep, and you are here with my fiancé. By the count of 3.
K in the building. It's first to the K-E-L-V.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision. Say, Mobian Dada, more in Bradian, and one pair your crab one pair. More be my pressure, pressure, pim cock or strong man best string. School girl CP, need to buy open now for same day I will be a lesbian. Fraud boys be near boy or back class hour depends no one team seen to the bank. More name break, and Saturn about 240. Peer pressure, if you rose one can't see me never found yeah, and I'm in my wood. It became more Kyekyeku for the council, trying to 7 flex, I know what the other. Sugar mama phone, a date or no didn't come out, what you say, yeah, my pack.
Be any fear, free to ye, be I do too. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear, free to ye, be I do too. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And that's a befoul, peer pressure befoul.